5 ways that you can increase the income in animation industry. So what are the 5 ways you can have some extra money? Number 1 is switching your jobs. Like if you are a beginner in the animation industry, make sure that you switch your jobs in 6 months amount of time, like 6 months or 1 year of the time. At the beginning I'm talking. So when you are a beginner, and also if I'm telling you to switch the job in 6 months or 1 year, then you should be confident about your skills as well. Improve your skills and switch the job and demand the salary, and look out that what is the market value, what is the market paying you, or how much it can pay you more. So for that you need to keep on hopping different companies at the very beginning. That is how you will increase your salary in a shorter period of time. So this is one way. Number 2 is taking more responsibilities. Like if you are an animator, then take more responsibilities, help other people, work in a team, so that when you show your communication skills, when you show your leadership skills and management skills, that is when you go to the next level and you manage people, you become a supervisor or you become a team leader. And that is how you can get more money when you raise your position. Number 3, become a freelancer. So if you become a freelancer with the job, then you can make some extra money, and obviously you can register on Fiverr, or maybe if you are a beginner, then you can work in a small studio so that you can build up contacts. And when you build up contacts, that is how you get the freelance work, and that is when you get expanded and you increase the context, and you have different sources from where you get the freelance work, and you can do it. Obviously you can do the freelance work and get some more money instead of just being in a job. Do the job, do the work, complete the work, come back home and do some freelance work, and make sure you make some contacts, good contacts, so that you can get the work on a regular basis. So that's how you can make more money by freelance. That's the third option. Number 4, create a YouTube channel. So you see there is a lot of demand in animation, and people know this, but still they don't go the extra mile. They just want to get settled in just job, and they just don't want to do anything else. Even if they are so great into the work they are doing, they don't have this context that how can I make more money, or what are the things that I can do and help people, serve people, so that they can pay me money. So if you create a YouTube channel, you can post the content there. You can create some content and you can post there, and gradually when your channel gets developed, that's when you start monetizing. So it's a long game. If I talk about YouTube, it's a long game, but then yes, if you get paid, then it pays off the effort you are putting in. So that's the number 4. Number 5. So the 5th one is creating footages. So what do I mean by creating footages? So you might have seen some memes, or you might have seen some stock footages. You see images, people are selling stock images, they are charging money on the official websites. So what you can do is create animation in a kind of a meme, or maybe a kind of a universal animation which everybody can use to show something. So when you might have seen a lot of videos where you see maybe a cat or a dog anywhere, and they just write one line, whatever it is, maybe this is how you feel when you are stuck in this environment, and then they show a cat's face or something, some action or some dog's action. That is when you immediately connect that yes, this is how I feel. So if you create something into animation for that, and that is how you can get paid for that, so that will be very unique. And if you create that, then people will use your content, and when they use your content, gradually when you become visible to people, that's when you can charge them, or you can create an official website and put all those stock videos, animation videos, and charge them for using that. That's what others are doing as well, but in animation nobody is doing this, so you can do that. So these are the 5 ways you can increase your income in the animation industry. So don't be stuck in a job only. Do the job and utilize your free time in making more money, so that you can have a better life and you can enjoy the life. You have a better family life, and your family is proud of you, your family is happy with you. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for receiving all the updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.